Starting a business in Pennsylvania can be an exciting and rewarding venture. The state is home to a diverse economy, ranging from agriculture and manufacturing to healthcare and technology. Additionally, Pennsylvania offers a favorable business climate with relatively low tax rates, access to capital, and a supportive regulatory environment. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step overview of how to start an LLC in Pennsylvania, as well as the benefits and considerations of starting a business in the state. Let's discuss the benefits of starting a business in Pennsylvania. 1. Favorable tax climate. Pennsylvania has a relatively low tax burden, with a flat corporate income tax rate of 9.99%. Additionally, the state does not impose a sales tax on most business services. 2. Access to capital. Pennsylvania offers several programs to help small businesses access funding, including the Pennsylvania Industrial Development Authority, PIDA, and the Small Business First Fund. 3. Skilled workforce. Pennsylvania is home to several top-ranked universities and has a highly skilled workforce, particularly in the fields of healthcare, technology, and manufacturing. 4. Strategic location. Pennsylvania is strategically located in the northeast corridor of the United States, making it a hub for transportation and logistics. 5. Supportive regulatory environment. Pennsylvania has a business-friendly regulatory environment and offers several programs to help businesses navigate the regulatory landscape. If you are interested in starting an LLC in Pennsylvania, the following guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to do so. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in starting an LLC in Pennsylvania is to choose a name for your business. The name must be unique and not already in use by another business in Pennsylvania. You can search for available names on the Pennsylvania Department of State's website. Once you have chosen a name, you must file a name reservation application with the Pennsylvania Department of State. This will reserve your chosen name for 120 days while you complete the rest of the LLC formation process. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Pennsylvania law requires all LLCs to have a registered agent, who is responsible for receiving legal and tax documents on behalf of the business. The registered agent must be a resident of Pennsylvania or a business authorized to do business in the state. You can appoint yourself as the registered agent or hire a professional registered agent service. If you choose to appoint yourself, you must list your name and address on the articles of organization, discussed below. Step 3. File articles of organization. The next step in forming an LLC in Pennsylvania is to file articles of organization with the Pennsylvania Department of State. This document officially creates your LLC and includes basic information about your business, such as the name, address, and purpose of the LLC. You can file the articles of organization online through the Pennsylvania Department of State's website or by mail. The filing fee is $125. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not required by law, it is highly recommended that you draft an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership and management structure of the LLC, as well as the rights and responsibilities of the members. An operating agreement can help prevent disputes among members and protect the limited liability status of the LLC. It is important to consult with an attorney when drafting an operating agreement to ensure that it is legally binding and enforceable. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You will need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. There is no fee for obtaining an EIN. Step 6. Register for state taxes. If your LLC will have employees or sell taxable goods or services in Pennsylvania, you must register for state taxes. This includes registering for Pennsylvania State income tax withholding, sales tax, and use tax. You can register for state taxes online through the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue's website. The registration process will vary depending on the type of tax you are registering for. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you are starting, you may need to obtain additional licenses and permits from state and local agencies. For example, businesses in certain industries, such as healthcare and food service, may require special licenses or permits. You can search for required licenses and permits on the Pennsylvania Department of State's website. It is important to ensure that you have obtained all necessary licenses and permits before starting your business to avoid penalties and fines. Step 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. Once your LLC is formed, you will need to comply with ongoing requirements to maintain your business's legal and financial standing. This includes filing annual reports with the Pennsylvania Department of State and paying annual fees. You will also need to maintain accurate financial records and file taxes on a regular basis. It is important to consult with an accountant or tax professional to ensure that you are complying with all state and federal tax laws. In conclusion, starting an LLC in Pennsylvania can be a rewarding and profitable venture. The state offers a favorable business climate with low tax rates, access to capital, and a skilled workforce. By following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can form an LLC in Pennsylvania and take advantage of the benefits of starting a business in the state. However, it is important to consult with an attorney and accountant to ensure that you are complying with all legal and financial requirements. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.